Hi everyone and welcome to a new daily watchlist. My name is Martijn. I will be going over the Forex market as usual. So first of all, let's kick it off with the euro dollar. On the euro dollar, what we saw yesterday is that we had this immense move up, right? Like I already said, if the DXY starts dropping, euro dollar and all the other pairs can start moving up. That happened. We currently took out this liquidity high in there too, and we are still in this daily supply. So what could happen from here is that we could have like some kind of pullback. We pull back to this demand zone in there, like this is a daily demand zone. We have a bigger one low in here, but first of all I just want to see like some kind of pullback, right? Like a pullback either way to this demand zone, preferably to this one, because this one is the daily demand zone, and if the 4 hours starts returning down, like starts to make a retracement, then we need a higher time frame demand zone to push price back up. That said, let's go to the DXY. So regarding the DXY, yeah, like I already said, we could make a significant drop that happened yesterday, just all in a few hours. Currently, we are in this demand zone. So same with euro dollar, we could make a retracement from here, or we could take out these lows. Like price is still bearish. So it is a possibility for price to make a reversal. It doesn't mean it has to happen, but I'm keeping an eye on that. So I'm keeping an eye on a reversal on the dollar, eventually go back up again, touch the newly created supply zone. So we could visit like this supply zone in here, and maybe turn back from there. And whatever happens from there, we have to see it, because if we start going up, we make like a new trend line, we break like another high, we get new zones, and we can take trades from that. So for now, a pullback is likely. Let's go to the AUDUSD dollar. And regarding AUDUSD dollar, we touched a supply. So like I already said, we could break these highs in there. We could take the liquidity. Currently, we are in this daily supply zone, and price is making a beautiful, beautiful retracement. I think we could still hang in here like for today, maybe for tomorrow, but eventually we could make like another reversal. So we could make like a further move to the downside, especially if you look at the CFDC data and everything. You could see, especially on the dollar and pairs like that, a lot of shorts are opening. So that could mean that also the AUDUSD dollar could start to make a retracement. Now let's go to the NZDUSD dollar. Regarding NZDUSD dollar, it's also making a similar retracement, a little bit smaller, also because it's inside of this daily supply. So I'm just waiting for it to make a retracement. For the NZDUSD dollar, we got a big daily demand in there. So if price could visit that, then we could definitely start to move up again, make like a bigger retracement back to the upside, and complete like this whole cycle, this whole daily cycle. So I'm just patiently waiting for that, to the dollar to start move up again, NZDUSD dollar. And you could start to try to short the pullback basically, but we have to see that on a lower time frame. Like currently I am on all pairs, I'm just waiting for a minor pullback. It would be possible, for example, on a pair like GBPUSD dollar in here, that we take out the highs first, but for now a pullback is very likely, since we had this huge rally up. Usually price retraces, make like a little pullback, visit like the newly created demand zone or a little bit above there. And that's also what I'm watching on the GBPUSD dollar. Let's go to gold. Same thing on gold. We are currently inside of this supply zone. For now, I don't really like short, since price is just highly bullish on the weekly and the monthly, but it is still possible. I don't really recommend it, since price can easily shoot up if something happens. If you just have like a little bit of a wick down on the DXY, then gold can shoot basically up, take out these highs. But for now, supply is in control. I want to see what's going to happen. If we can visit this trend line again, maybe start moving down, maybe stay in this range for May. It all depends on the coming days what's going to happen. So that said, move over to the Bitcoin. And regarding the Bitcoin, we broke the highs, we took the liquidity. Like I already said, we had this minor supply zone in here, didn't really do a lot, and currently we are in another supply zone. And same thing for Bitcoin, we had this huge rally up. Usually this indicates like a lot of fake volume. So if you have like a sudden spike up, like a fast spike up, it could be just liquidity grab, it could be just price taking out shorts first before it starts to move down again. But I want to see it. Like altcoins are currently very good. There are a lot of good buys, like minus 50%, minus 80% for some pairs. So for now, it still looks good. It still looks bullish, but I'm not expecting it to straightly shoot up. I think we could firstly make like retracement, start moving down again. And it all depends after that what's going to happen next. But for now, we are in supply. I'm waiting for a retracement. And yeah, we just have to see, like, it is still stuck in a range basically. Since ever we made a new all-time high, it is just still stuck in this range. And okay, we made another leg up, we made a new high in here. a new higher high basically, and we create a new higher low in here. But I just want to see, like, these sudden moves don't really indicate a lot, and they could easily make a reversal. So that said, I want to close it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next videos.